Here's the Triceps Brachii. It has three parts: the long head, the lateral head, and the medial head. Here's the long head. Here's our lateral head. And then here's, that's right, the medial head. So let's talk about the origins, insertions, actions, and innervations. Start with the long head. The long head originates from the infraglenoid tubercle of the scapula. Let's take a closer look at that. And we can see that right there. Here's our long head. Here's our scapula. The origin of the long head, infraglenoid tubercle of the scapula. Infraglenoid tubercle of the scapula. There we are there. The lateral head of the Triceps Brachii, posterior surface of the humerus above the radial groove. Okay, now medial head, origin of the medial head, posterior surface of the humerus below the radial groove. There we are. Medial head origin. Together, these form a powerful extensor mass behind the arm. Insertion, the Olecranon process of the ulna. That's the bony point of the elbow where all three heads converge by a common tendon. Let's take a look at that tendon real quick because I don't want to skip over it. So here's the tendon here that all these, well, I'll say these bodies of muscle, these heads of muscles. So here's our tendon. Here's our, that's right, lateral head. We have, that's right, that's the long head. And let's rotate it back this way. We have this here. What's that? That's right. That's the medial head of the Triceps Brachii. So all three heads, all three come together and merge with, that's right, this tendon here. That's triceps tendon. And they merge right there. Yeah, the Olecranon process of the ulna here. Action, extension of the elbow. The long head also assists in shoulder extension and adduction since it crosses the shoulder joint. Check it out. Innervation, radial nerve from spinal nerves C6 through C8. That's the same nerve that innervates the forearm extensors. That's right. Let that blow your mind. Triceps brachii and the extensors, same nerve, radial nerve. So again, triceps brachii, origin, long head. That's right. Infraglenoid tubercle. Origin, lateral head. That's right. Posterior humerus above radial groove. Origin, medial head. Origin, medial, that's right, below radial groove. Insertion for the Triceps Brachii, that's right. Olecranon process of the ulna. Mike Dean, ladies and gentlemen. Olecranon process of the ulna, action. That's right, extends the elbow. That's right. The long head will assist with shoulder extension.